Did you know that a staggering 70% of IPOs fail to outperform the market within their first 5 years? With the odds like these, how do you ensure you are not betting on a losing horse but rather investing in the next big success story? The world of IPO is fraught with excitement and potential pitfall. Finding your way through this complex maze requires more than luck. It demands strategy and insight. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Money Siksha with Brijesh Parikh. I am Brijesh Parikh, an avid investor, wealth coach, and your host on today's financial journey. As a financial mentor, my passion lies in helping working professionals and small business owners navigate the intricate world of investments, particularly IPOs. Selecting the right IPO isn't just about tapping into a potentially lucrative opportunity, it's a crucial step that can significantly impact the wealth and growth of your investment portfolio. In the Indian context, there are several examples of IPO success and failure that provide valuable insights for potential investors like you. One notable success story is the IPO of Avenue Supermarts, the company behind the popular retail chain DMart. Since its IPO in 2017, the stock has consistently outperformed the market, offering attractive returns to investors. On the other hand, the failure of the Reliance Power IPO serves as a cautionary tale. Despite high expectations, the stock price of Reliance Power declined significantly after its listing, leading to a substantial losses for IPO subscriber. These examples highlight the importance of thorough research and analysis before subscribing to an IPO. Examining factors such as the company's financial performance, industry dynamics, and management quality can provide valuable indicators for potential success or failure in the Indian IPO market. Navigating through the bustling market of new stocks might seem overwhelming with endless choices at your fingertips. However, making informed decision is paramount to ensuring that you are not merely gambling but strategically augmenting your wealth. Today, we are going to unravel some key strategies and insights that will empower you to sift through the noise and select IPOs with confidence. Stick around as we delve into these fascinating aspects of investing. The challenge of choosing wisely. Imagine standing before a plethora of shiny new IPOs, each promising the moon. Yet, statistics whisper a cautionary tale. Not all the glitter is gold in the investment world. Navigating through this maze can seem daunting due to several hurdles. The absence of historical data making it tough to predict future performance, the dazzling allure of media hype over substance, and deciphering ever shifting market trends. It's akin to choosing a marathon winner based solely on their starting line posture. Strategies for smart selection. The key lies in diligence and strategy. Start with an excavation into the company's origins and operations. Understanding its business model is paramount. How does it earn revenue? What sets it apart from competitors? Next, delve into its market potentials. Are we looking at a burgeoning sector ripe for innovation or an oversaturated marketplace gasping for differentiation? The red herring prospectus becomes your Bible here. Pour over financial statements with eagle eyes for profitability signals or debts that could hamper growth. The use of proceeds sections gives insight into how wisely they plan to utilize your investments. Key indicators about financial responsibility and future prospectus. Pricing matters too. Analyze the price band carefully, considering the current market conditions and similar past offerings. Outcomes, a practice even seasoned investor might overlook. How to select an IPO for subscription. The key to selecting an IPO for subscription lies in diligence and strategy. Here is a detailed process to help you make an informed decision. Company research. Start with an excavation into the company's origins and operations. Understand the business model to grasp how the company earns revenue and what sets it apart from competitor. Market potential analysis. Delve into the market potential to determine if it's a burgeoning sector ripe for innovation or an oversaturated marketplace grasping for differentiation. Use the red herring prospectus as your Bible. Pour over financial statements to identify profitability signals and the debts that could hamper growth. Use of proceeds evaluation. The use of proceeds sections into the RHP gives insight into how wisely the company plans to utilize your investments. This section provides key indicators about fiscal responsibility and future prospectus. Pricing analysis. Analyze the price band carefully, considering the current market conditions and similar past offering outcomes. Pricing matters too, and it's important to consider this aspect with eagle eyes, as it's a practice even seasoned investor might overlook. Taking the time to conduct thorough research and analysis based on these specific details will help you make an informed decision when selecting an IPO for subscription. Tools and indicators that matter beyond these fundamentals lie tools only savvy investors wield effectively. Analyst reports can offer invaluable insights when available, while keeping abreast with industry news and relating to your target company lays out context missed by many. Moreover, scrutinize management teams as you would captains of a ship. They dictate direction amidst the turbulent markets. Governance issues or legal entanglements could be red flags waving unmissed opportunity goodbye. And never underestimate consistent revenue versus erratic ones, a marker of stability in unpredictable seas. Emotional intelligence in investing, however, perhaps most crucially, equip yourself with emotional intelligence against the frenzy often accompany IPO launches. Avoid being swayed by collective euphoria or fearful tales. You are not racing against the FOMO but pacing towards wise investment decisions. Exercising patience and strategic thinking shields from impulse driven mistakes, ensuring choices are substantial rather than speculative leaps amidst market hype. Additionally, consider the market conditions and investor sentiments at the time of IPO. Assessing the overall market environment and the demand for similar offerings can provide valuable context for making an informed decision. Lastly, it's essential to review the risk associated with the IPO. Understanding the potential challenges and uncertainties related to the company's operations, industry dynamics, and market conditions is crucial in evaluating the investment opportunity. By approaching IPO selection with a focus on research, valuation, market conditions, and risk assessments, investor can make informed decisions and avoid being swayed by speculative leaps amidst market hype. Conclusion: in today's journey, we have navigated the challenging yet promising world of IPO subscriptions. Remember, while selecting an IPO can significantly benefit your investment portfolio, it demands a dedicated elbow grease in analysis beyond mere speculation. I hope our discussions on smart strategies, including rigorous research into a company's operations and financial health, as well as understanding market trends, has provided you with a solid groundwork to stand on. Furthermore, embracing emotional intelligence by avoiding impulsivity and FOMO ensures that each decision is carefully weighed against potential outcomes. As an avid investor myself, I cannot overemphasize the importance of patience and strategy in the quest for financial independence through prudent IPO investments. Now, I encourage you to dive deeper into this subject by subscribing to my channel for more insightful investments tips that empower your journey towards financial freedom. Your engagement doesn't have to end here. Visit my website or blog where you will find comprehensive analysis on potential investment opportunities alongside downloadable resources and checklists that are pivotal in cherry picking profit yielding IPO subscriptions. Lastly, Let me know which part of today's topic resonated with you most or what future topics you are eager to explore. Your feedback not only enriches our community but also shapes our content pathway, making every investing endeavor worth embarking upon together. So buckle up and let's ride towards achieving remarkable milestone in our investment portfolios. If you found this video valuable, please share, like, and subscribe to Money Shiksha with Brijesh. See you in the next video. Bye bye.